our today's lesson. Today we want to learn the different techniques of making a picture. Now we have different methods whereby, like number one, we have drawing. As we learned in the previous lesson, drawing is the art of making marks on a surface using dry media. And we gave examples like you can use a pencil, chalk, you can also use crayons, and any dry media which you can use to create the artwork. That is drawing. And then there are various techniques in drawing whereby when you are creating the picture you can use hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, and shading. Or in other words, we can also use, in hatching and cross-hatching we use lines. Hatching we use parallel lines, for cross-hatching we use crossing lines. And then stippling we use dots, and then in shading we do what we call smudging, smearing of the color on the surface or where you are using the dry media. Now the second technique of making a picture is painting. Painting, there are various techniques of painting: wash, dabbing, blending, splatter, and dry brush. So these are the techniques which you can use in painting. Then in printmaking we have stamping, stenciling, block printing, and then also we can do a mono print. Then number 4, we have cutting and pasting. So these are, you use different materials whereby you cut and paste. Like we have montage. Montage you cut related pictures, different pictures from newspapers, magazines, and you create a story. So it's like you are editing the pictures. Then mosaic, you use one type of material, whereby this type of material is the one which you use for creating the artwork, different colored materials. So we can use even different colored papers, or we can use even tiles, the ones which are used to create artworks on the walls. And then we have collage. Collage is a mixed media. We use different textile materials to create the artwork. Then number 5, we have digital drawing, whereby this one mostly we use the computers or the digital devices, whereby we can do editing and also we can do illustration. Then we have modeling. Modeling is like in pottery, whereby we do pinching, coiling, and slabbing. So the various techniques of picture making are drawing, painting, printmaking, cutting and pasting, and then also we can use digital devices to create different types of art. Thank you for viewing me, and also continue subscribing and keep on following.